Hello everyone, welcome back to Ortho Implants for Life. This week we are going to discuss on impact of digital platform in orthopedic implant industry post-COVID era and also the need of trained people in this industry. If you have missed the last episode of post-COVID changes in orthopedic industry, part 1, please click on the I button and watch it. So let's begin post-COVID changes in orthopedic industry part 2.
Dr. Banerjee, digital platform, can it impact orthopedic implant industry?
Yes, definitely, because almost invisible organism called COVID have changed the perception totally, have given an existential question to each and everybody, no doubt. And in this COVID era, lot of things have changed. Although digitalization was there existing for many years, it was an upcoming era. But I feel that during this COVID time, where the COVID have put some existential question on us and have given a proper challenge, unprecedented challenge to the industry as well as for the professionals, which compelled us to be digital now. Now, how our objective in this COVID time had made us think how to minimize manpower utilization in product promotion and value addition, including value addition to the surgeons, and how can the surgeons also respond to get the proper service with minimum use of manpower contact. So while doing this, we are planning to digitalization is definitely important in terms of propagation of knowledge of education as well as operations of the orthopedic supply chain. While doing this, we have planned a digital platform. It is under the process of development, where the surgeons if just takes the X-ray and clicks the picture from the mobile, all the option for the probable implants will come into it through artificial intelligence and machine learning. When surgeons select the proper implants or he can add implants, then available suppliers are there who can supply that to the doctor in the nearby area. When he clicks that, immediately there will be a notification to the concerned distributor or the channel partners, a message in the WhatsApp, and immediately he can supply the required implants to the surgeons or the hospitals. So I call it as 1 point business unit. The app is under process and it will digitalize the supply chain of orthopedic implants industry. Apart from this, there is a huge need for, as I told you in your previous question, there is a huge need for proper education of orthopedic, because as I told you, Indian Orthopedic Journal have clearly stated 2016 July-August issue that there is a huge deficiency of the proper training of even the orthopedic, even for the DNB, there is some deficiency analysis they have done in that chapter. So there is a need for orthopedic surgery, proper training and guideline, proper usage of implants, upcoming usage of implants, what are the instruments which are to be used for the paramedical staff, for the common person who wants to upgrade themselves and enter into the medical field, anybody who can make their career into the orthopedic industry surgery, by surgery assistant, anybody who wants to make their specialize their career into this field. I think this field have an immense opportunity like an ocean, because you understand that the doctors into patient ratio is 1:60,000, so more than 60,000. So if this is the ratio, so the need for doctors to do more surgeries as a lesser time is the need of the hour. So a digital platform for giving proper training at this point of time, where the COVID have given a question mark on the employment, on the survival for the assistant of the doctors, many. And this you can just implement if you can think of implementing such kind of concept where you can give proper training through Ortho Implant for Life, the organization, if can give a proper training to the paramedical staffs as well as for the anybody in the India who wants to make their career in the medical field, young generation, you can definitely think of it by utilizing your training module online, by giving us, even they need a internship also to do hand-on work. So if you can do it, your module of that type, I think that will help a lot to bridge the gap of need and demand and supply need. You can bridge the gap by giving this education, knowledge exchange to the person who need to fill up this gap and come to the orthopedic surgery assistant arena. Apart from this, there are two pillars of one is the supply chain digitalization, one is the education knowledge exchange. Another part is definitely the production part, manpower part in the industry, even the distribution network, even the distributor who are working now, how they can digitalize their infrastructure. That is a part of definitely a need of the hour. So the entire industry nowadays post-COVID need extensive digitalization for better functioning, smooth function. That is my opinion.
So Dr. Banerjee, what I understand, digitalization is going to revolutionize this orthopedic industry also. The impact of digitalization is going to be huge in coming future.
It is bound to be there, and it is definite that digitalization is to affect the orthopedic implants industry as well as from supply chain to execution. Each and every part there is a need of digitalization, because Niti Aayog, as a part of Niti Aayog, GTU, I am a part of GTU, Gujarat Technological University. So Niti Aayog has implementing today we have a meeting from. So Niti Aayog, they are having a concept of giving a health card. It is a digital health card to all the citizens. So that is a Niti Aayog concept now. So each and every citizen, they are proposing to give a digital health card to each and every citizen. So when this level of each and every utilizing this concept goes to the each and every citizen of India, so it is obvious that each and every man and every operation, every industry related to healthcare will be utilized in the same way.
Another question, Dr. Banerjee. You were referring this app. So I have not heard of this app. So
this is not yet launched. We are trying to launch through some expert worker in Bangalore and Ahmedabad. So those people are working with, they have made a platform in Ahmedabad. Medical platform is a Facebook for medical professional called Say It Doc. They have made a platform where all the medical professionals, it may be a common man who wants to know about something of medicine, a man is suffering from diabetes or having arthritis, who can be also a part of this social network and who can interact with doctors there, and all the doctors, paramedical staff, everybody comes into one platform. This is number one. We are trying to do this for last 3 years. Another thing is that we have made an app already, but it is to be published now. It have got a patent, Indian patent, and it has been appreciated by different countries, health ministry and European Union have told that it is a boom. So Indian government, we have given it to the Prime Minister office, but it is yet to be approved.
So Dr. Banerjee, thank you for bringing this coaching and training aspect. So since you have been trained in different multinational companies, so please give some light about this coaching and training in orthopedic implant industry.
Very interesting. When I got the training in my early 91, in the year 1991, I clearly remember it was a very exciting training and very, very detailed training given to me by Synthesis. That time it was Mathis Medical. Detailed training, and 1.5 months or probably 2 months, I don't remember it, but it was more than 1.5 months. From the type of fracture, which type of fracture, what implants to be used, and ways to give exam for that. When we came back from the training, when I was working with my executives, they were working in the industry for many years, where I was their manager. They are asking me about the product, cortical screw, I have to send this. Honestly speaking, all the education, all the training which I had before taking up this, because I came from pharma, before taking up this, the word which I learned 2 months before, and now when I came back, I forgot everything. So I request to Mr. Mukherjee to, if you do a training program or any course module such, that you make a follow-up and extension learning, so that each and everybody who attends your course, you follow each and every people till they attain their utilization of knowledge in the proper place.
Okay.
This is my experience of training and getting actual knowledge through field work. So when I went to the surgeon, when I attended surgery myself, along with my colleagues there who supported me that time, otherwise all the training which I got for 2 months from a extremely number one multinational at that time. So it was a number one multinational, biggest company of trauma that time. After taking that extensive training, when I came back, that utilization and proper training, the purpose of the training was not there. I cannot apply my training knowledge unless I attended the surgery, understood, then I knew the product.
Absolutely.
Today I can visualize the product. Today, if anybody asks me what is there in the interlocking set, so from the all till the exchange tube till everything, it is visualized because I attended the surgery.
Yes.
Anybody asks me what is there in the total hip replacement, I can tell anybody one by one. Although I don't assist surgery for last 20 years, not at all. But because of that training, which I did myself attending surgeries, not because of the training which my company gave me, today I am able to say one by one instrument what is there in the surgery and what the surgeon needs one after other, which was not possible to finish within 2 months. So if you have a course module,
actually the course has been created such that there will be theoretical premise as well as those proof for practical.
there is no course in the world today, in the entire world, as per my knowledge goes, there is no course available in the entire world who does the follow-up module to place the students in the right professional path before leaving them.
Yeah.
Before leaving them, after the course is finished, everybody leaves the student. We have learned, utilize the knowledge. But I want somebody to create a course where there will be a follow-up, and till the end, unless he utilizes the knowledge in the proper professional place to get his professional track fulfilled. That is needed. If somebody learns about course on the OT technician or for the orthopedic surgery assistant, after doing the course, one vertical maybe he will become an entrepreneur. So you have to guide them for proper entrepreneurship module and management training before leaving them.
Yeah.
Suppose somebody wants to become a OT assistant. Again, you see that proper extension of the internship can be done so that you place them into proper surgeons to make their professional expertise fulfilled. If somebody may be wanting to be a trainer in this field, help them out how to become a trainer in terms of video making, in terms of other aspect of digital marketing. You have to help them. That may be another type of branch course, so that he fulfills that whatever my dream is. Every people have a different domain of interest.
Yeah.
So whatever his interest is, he reaches there, and that will be your responsibility if you launch the course to see that he becomes successful after finishing the course, which no course in the world till date have thought of.
So it is our dream also. So to bring such a course which will have orthopedic surgeons when it comes to training the orthopedics, functional knowledge of orthopedics, and it will also have this theoretical and practical and whatever you have told. So we are thinking in this line. So once we are able to bring it to the floor, we will definitely inform you.
That's great. I will be waiting for that.
Sincere thanks for giving us such a wonderful interview. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks.
Thank you all for watching the video. If you have enjoyed the video, if you have learned something, please like it, share it. If you haven't yet subscribed the channel, subscribe it, hit the bell icon to get future notifications whenever we come up with new video. If you want to know more about the job opportunities, career opportunities, and about orthopedic implant industry, please click the link given below in the description. Comment in the comment box so that we come to know what is your feedback and reply you as per your need. Thank you. See you in our future video. Bye.